Guess not hazmat over there.
I think that Green River can, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know. That one's tough. That one's tough.
You know that was last.
Yeah.
So this is how you're ranking them?
Hey, wasn't there? Was
Oh,
there
that's
something
it.
else?
No.
No, that's what I said. If we got through this many, this would be a good way to break down perspective, and they can go back and watch every video separate. I'll make sure they all drop tomorrow.
Yeah.
I don't know
Yeah.
what those. That's my only question.
Oh, I mean, it's rolling.
All right. So we tasted the 5 things that we got today. We got these guys bought so many bottles. So out of these 5, I think this is how it would rank. I don't know. I'm such a huge Four Roses guy, and this is a great ESV recipe.
Yeah.
Like one of the best ones I've had in the last few years. So I'm kind of putting it slightly above the Green River. Super high praises on this Green River weeded mash bill.
Yeah.
And that's 7 years. So 7 year, was hanging with the big dogs. Very impressed with the lineage. Liked it way more than I thought I would. I liked this way more than I thought I would based on the last few years of that recipe, OESV. Never had that before, and that was kind of a showstopper. All the guys in the house were like, "Dude, you got to try that."
I feel like this one
heard
also
it was
had
fantastic.
Had
Also,
a good nose.
I'm gonna try
The nose was it made you curious about the whiskey per se. Everything else, if you're familiar with it, you go, okay, that's cool. But this one was like, oh wow, what is that?
So one of the things that I look for in a whiskey, which is why it takes me a little bit longer to do some of the reviews, is I like to see how it evolves in the glass. So the whiskeys that change a lot, to me, are a little bit more complex. They're a little bit more fun to drink because they take you on a journey over time, and you can drink them very slowly with somebody else. Like some of those 18-year bourbons that we got in, it's like, man, you can spend an hour on like 1 ounce with a buddy, and it like I usually pour like a half ounce each. I'm drinking one while I let one air out on something super complex, because after 30 minutes, by the time you get to the next one, it's like you're drinking a different whiskey. Because
Or you could just froth it, right? Didn't you figure that out?
Yeah.
Better naturally.
Yeah. So we've done extensive testing.
So now we're doing
on
organic whiskey?
So
You saw it today with the barrel.
frothing is aggressive aeration, forcing air in it, forcing evaporation.
Yeah.
We
did this. We did the video.
Yeah, it was
so-
like if I remember right, it was like a 1/10 of a proof point every second you're frothing. So it's evaporating very fast. And some of the complex stuff, you don't want to aerate it like that aggressively. A natural, like just letting it breathe is better. Some of the other stuff, some of the other like 7, 8, 9 year stuff, like if it just needs to breathe, then sometimes we'll try to simulate it sitting out for 30 minutes with a few seconds of the frother. But
It was
anyway,
interesting to me too, and if you don't mind, most of the distilleries kind of own each other, or there's always enough brands. So like, what's the big differentiator? Because you guys was like, oh, this is a Heaven Hill product, but it says brand. But then you go buy Heaven Hill. So you go, well, I want this Heaven Hill, but they're
just different brands, just like we were just talking about different series that we want to do. That's the same. It's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Same thing. It's a swim lane. So certain like Old Fitz is the weeded mash bill from Heaven Hill.
Okay. Oh, yeah. But like even when you're talking about, I think the other day you guys got a Penelope, and it was a Heaven Hill, right? One of them was like Heaven Hill or something, or
Yeah, it was
I mean,
said
correct me if I'm
the
wrong,
13 year was said to be Heaven Hill. Now they don't advertise that, so I don't know if that's true. It could be MGP. Typically, Penelope is MGP.
Right.
Like the 16 year, I think, was a 95.5 MGP rye, and it was outstanding. So both those offerings were great, but MGP owns George Remus, and several other brands.
Remus is under
Rossville Union.
Was at Lux Row with Penelope? Right?
Lux Row? They own Lux Row now.
I mean, I saw it. Guys.
Yeah, everything at the deal. Yeah.
I saw with my own two good eyes, which is why I'm here to try to investigate.
They're just different swim lanes. So Penelope is their higher end. They do finishes. They do.
You did it again.
They're like, dude, this is just getting good. If it's that good, motherfucker, then come here and watch the rest. Hey, look, for those people that don't know, if you're on Instagram, you can make no money on Instagram. So if you're ever doing social media, if I lost every social media today, YouTube's all that matters.
He's got this little clicker. Yeah. And then once it starts getting good, he's like, click.
It's like, oh, there's the closer.
Sometimes I watch the stuff that he posts back out, and I get pissed. I'm like, hey,
What was the rest of that?
yeah,
Hey,
exactly.
he's in the video. He should know. But that's the beauty about look.
But
You got to lead him into it, man.
let's be real though. This price, the youngest one up here, for that to even be in the middle,
It's the
says-
least
says a lot,
expensive.
right?
$65.
Yeah.
Ooh.
$65 in this
And
detergent.
the youngest one up here.
And it's young with that much flavor is crazy.
I think that gives it points right there.
It's really
Oh,
good.
it's by
It's
far
really good.
out of these. I like this one. I would pay for this one just to share with people like we talked about. Like I would go tomorrow and like, hey, if I was for one, I didn't buy
gets
anything
rookie-
today.
That's rookie of the year.
The only
Yes.
one that I would ever buy that's the one we cracked the other day that Elijah Craig was good.
What'd you think of that?
I've had that.
You haven't had that.
I have. All I'm saying is
He doesn't. He doesn't know enough.
look, man, did we not kill that Four Roses at my house?
We killed a lot.
Which Four Roses?
The one that we got last year. I'm not saying it
That's
was
totally
this.
different.
I'm saying that
recipe.
consistency wise, it was like, okay, that's Four Roses. Blendery wise, I'm always like, that's Blendery, but like, God.
We'll let you have that.
Listen, man, look, let me tell you this, people. Everyone I
People are
brought to
going to
the.
pay to hear that shit.
They might, because they get to argue, man. They argue about some shit. Look, if you're a Four Roses fan, shout out to you.
Well,
What would you be?
this is the upset here.
Yeah.
This is the upset that these two, probably all three, because everybody would probably think that this one's
Yeah. And
at
it's
the
not.
top.
It's definitely not.
It's definitely not. Like he was trying to
No.
decide whether he liked this.
Hey,
Yeah, there's-
hey,
I was
Chance, really, you were deciding you was going to get there early and get in line again for this shit. Now you're like,
Oh no.
This one is not better than this, but
so
it's
this
not
is damn near
far,
last, man.
It's not far off.
I think it's my disappointment in this that was it.
It's just thin. It
Chance,
lacks
you couldn't talk.
simplicity. It's
You couldn't talk.
it's easy. It's easy
You
drinking.
look like that the whole time like this. Like you ate something sour and didn't know what to do. You didn't know if you should
It's
spit
not-
it out
it's
or
not
just.
sour.
It's not bad, but
It's a look. It's the look of sour.
when you see a VVS
Or
label, you
disapprove.
expect something.
Yeah,
I
'cause
can't find the VVS. That's what I was looking for too.
so the
Kentucky
Color.
Strawberry, was he?
the red labels.
Oh, I do see it. VVS 225.
Yeah.
The red labels are, I believe, distillery only.
Ah.
Like you're not finding the red labels in the store, so those are the more rare ones to get.
I'm saving this for a little bit of video I'm gonna do right after this. I gotta review these again in short form. You can be.
So the one he doesn't like, he wants to re-pour.
Yeah, so I have it. Otherwise, I'm lying.
Controversy.
I'm not gonna drink it right now.
Controversy drives.
Hey,
Yeah,
I'm
but
looking drives because
Yeah,
I'm
now
taking
that I
this.
had the Green River again, I definitely put the Green River over
100%.
over that one.
No, that was never. a
100%.
question.
I would buy 5 of these
I was
before I
curious.
bought.
I mean, it's weeded, different mash bills, but weeded versus weeded,
Yeah.
and a quarter of the price.
Yeah.
Literally.
And yeah, I'm upset I didn't get that one.
Yeah.
I'm upset I bought that one.
There we go.
Well,
Real.
for content purposes, people, we're here to bring you a full review. When you watch this, hopefully tomorrow, share this with somebody that you know is interested in both the review side, but just cracking new bottles with friends. Hopefully you learned something. Most importantly, we've got Chance, who's a part of the Blendery's journey and future. I'm not going anywhere either, so I'll be here tomorrow.
Tomorrow's never guaranteed, my friend.
Well, I'm here today.
If you party like Buck,
Yeah.
you're definitely not guaranteed tomorrow.
And you may not know what day it is.
Hey, what day is it?
He's pretty good.
Dude, he's fine. I've never seen this before.
He's about to do some push-ups.
I've never seen this before. This type of court,
It's
like
pretty
his
impressive.
ability to be like aware. You go,
He's an athlete.
they brought you in here, man. I didn't say that.
He's
did
an
I?
athlete.
Guys,
even though he's just smoking a big cigar as he comes in.
Guys, listen, this has been a blast. This is what bourbon's about. We'll get into some other stuff as we continue to grow the brand. Stay tuned. Keep it whiskey. Follow the Blendery. Make sure you're sharing, liking. Don't forget to watch.
Buy. Don't buy. buy if you like a shiny
Pretty
bowling pin.
decanter.
Yeah, and then put some in there that you do like.